Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. In this lesson, I will teach you 30 English words for talking about personal care items and daily hygiene routines. I'll cover everything from soap and toothbrushes to shampoo and deodorant. In part 1, I will present all the words, and in part 2, I will test if you can remember them. Please make sure to subscribe to my English study for more lessons like this one. Happy learning! Personal care items. Part 1. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Peppermint toothpaste is my favorite. Toothpaste. Dental floss. Dental floss. Dental floss helps remove food stuck between teeth. Dental floss. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. People use mouthwash to freshen their breath. Mouthwash. Soap. Soap. Do you prefer to use bar or liquid soap? Soap. Shower gel. Shower gel. Every morning, I use shower gel to wash my body. Shower gel. Shower cap. Shower cap. I wear a shower cap to keep my hair dry while showering. Shower cap. Shampoo. Shampoo. My sister uses a fruity shampoo that smells great. Shampoo. Conditioner. Conditioner. The conditioner makes my hair easier to comb. Conditioner. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. I use a hairbrush to comb my hair and make it look neat. Hairbrush. Comb. Comb. The comb has thin teeth that help me style my hair. Comb. Hairdryer. Hairdryer. I use a hairdryer to dry my hair quickly after showering. Hairdryer. Hair curler. Hair curler. A hair curler can turn straight hair into beautiful curls. Hair curler. Hair straightener. Hair straightener. I use a hair straightener to make my hair smooth. Hair straightener. Hairspray. Hairspray. I use hairspray to hold my hair in place. Hairspray. Razor. Razor. My dad uses a razor to shave the hair from his face. Razor. Shaving foam. Shaving foam. Men use shaving foam to help them get a close shave. Shaving foam. Cotton pads. Cotton pads. I use cotton pads to remove makeup and cleanse my face. Cotton pads. Cotton swabs. Cotton swabs. Cotton swabs are perfect for cleaning ears. Cotton swabs. Makeup remover. Makeup remover. I use makeup remover before washing my face. Makeup remover. Tweezers. Tweezers. Tweezers help to remove unwanted hairs from the skin. Tweezers. Nail scissors. Nail scissors. People use nail scissors to trim their fingernails. Nail scissors. Nail clippers. Nail clippers. I use nail clippers to trim my nails. Nail clippers. Nail file. Nail file. The nail file helps me to shape and smooth my nails. Nail file. Face cream. Face cream. I use a moisturizing face cream in the morning. Face cream. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. I always apply sunscreen before going to the beach. Sunscreen. Body lotion. Body lotion. Body lotion helps keep the skin nourished and soft. Body lotion. Tissues. Tissues. We use tissues to blow our nose when we have a cold. Tissues. Deodorant. Deodorant. Deodorant helps to avoid unpleasant smells. Deodorant. Lip balm. Lip balm. I use lip balm to prevent my lips from getting dry. Lip balm. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Now let's put your knowledge to the test and see how many words you can remember for personal care and hygiene items. Are you up for the challenge? All right, let's get started. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Dental floss. Dental floss. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. Soap. Soap. Shower gel. Shower gel. Shower cap. Shower cap. Shampoo. Shampoo. Conditioner. Conditioner. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. Comb. comb, hairdryer, hairdryer, hair curler, hair curler, hair straightener, hair straightener, hairspray, hairspray, razor, razor, shaving foam, shaving foam, cotton pads, cotton pads, cotton swabs, cotton swabs, makeup remover, makeup remover, tweezers, tweezers, nail scissors, nail scissors, nail clippers, nail clippers, nail file, nail file, face cream, face cream, sunscreen, sunscreen, body lotion, body lotion, tissues, tissues, deodorant, deodorant, lip balm, lip balm. Bravo! I'm impressed. Well done. We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.